Hello everyone, welcome back to Level Up Phonics. In today's lesson, you are going to learn long vowel U sound and their words. Previously, we have done long vowel A, E, I, O. These lessons link I will provide in the description box. Please watch those videos if you missed to watch. So long vowel U sound is U, U. We pronounce as U. In these words, we pronounce U as U only. First one is, this is called magic E. Magic E. If E comes in the end of the word, the alternate vowel takes the letter name, that is U, and in between this is a consonant. Vowel, consonant and vowel. With respect to this magic E, already I have uploaded that video and I will provide that link in the description box. Please do watch that. So let us read. Cube, cube. Huge, huge. Tube, tube. Use, fume, fume. Mute, mute. Next one is EW. Sound is U, U. As we are learning long vowel U words, here I am explaining EW, U words only. There is one more sound, that is U. And here EW, U is U, 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 few, U, new, you, chew, you, crew, you, stew, you, pew, you, new. And the next one is, in these words, we pronounce U as long vowel U sound only. Pupil, pupil. Music, music. Future, future. Human, human. Beauty, beauty. Unite, unite. Unicorn, unicorn. So, in today's lesson, you have learned long vowel U sound and their words. First one is magic E. In these words, we pronounce U as long vowel U. EW sound is U. In these words, U is pronounced as U only. I hope my videos are helping you. If you feel so, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.